Hey beautiful people, welcome to my channel. My name is Roxy for those of you who are new. Today I am going to be showing you one of the many easy ways that I style my pixie at home. And for those of you who are already subscribed, welcome back beautiful ladies. Let's jump right into this video. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. I'm going to be using the Giovanni Direct Leave-In Conditioner, which is a very good leave-in conditioner that I'd recommend for relaxed hair. And now to do my mold, as usual, I'll be using the Nairobi Rapid Shine Foaming Lotion. So as many of you may know, I am now a firm believer in Nairobi. I used to use the Cream of Nature, but now I'm just hooked on this. It gives you a great mold. The consistency is nice and foamy. So it gives your hair a good mold. It doesn't get too watery. So I'm just gonna give my hair a simple mold. This simple mold is perfect for the style that I'm trying to achieve. If you want to see how I do like a more detailed and wavy mold, then you can just check out my other videos. So to wrap my hair, I'm going to be using Mega Wrap Strips. So I'm taking the first one and putting it around the perimeter of my head. And then I'm going to take two wrap strips and wrap them around my chin. So I just saw a couple stylists using this method. It kind of helps to keep the top part a little bit more flat, and you just get more coverage for your wrap. It looks kind of silly, but it's worth it. So I'm just cutting off the extra pieces because it just looks way too silly. Okay, so now I'm just finishing up my makeup. I'm putting on some eyelashes. These lashes are the So Wispies by the Kiss brand. So they're Kiss lashes. I got them from the beauty supply store. And I'm just putting on some lipstick. This is the NYX Sandstorm liquid suede. So I'll leave that in the description box if you're interested. And of course I'm just topping that up with some gloss just to shine it up, you know. All right, so I'm taking off my wrap cap, guys, and I got my wrap cap from Silkywraps. Their Instagram is Silkywraps. I'll leave that in the description box as well. Now I'm just going in with some jojoba oil from the ORS line. It's a conditioning hairdress. I'm using it to grease my scalp. So this is just going to, of course, grease my scalp. It's gonna give my hair some sheen once I start running the flat iron through it. And yeah, it just makes my hair look healthier. It smells good. So I'm going to be using my 1/2 inch flat iron from the Red by Kiss line. It's their ceramic flat iron. And I'm just going to be curling everything in one forward direction. So I'm just going to be curling as much hair as I can catch throughout my entire head. So this is a very simple style, pretty straightforward. I'm just curling it in the direction that I molded my hair. Many of you ask me where I get my styling tools from. I usually get everything from the Black beauty supply store, if that's what you want to call it. We call it a hair store. So I usually get everything there, and you can always find almost anything on Amazon. So yeah, there you go.
Original bad man, you don't know.
It's fake kills.
Standard. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh no. Baby, I can smoke it all. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, girls them around come. Me I fit to turn them down. Anywhere we go, see them be hating now. She carry you, her body amazing, oh. My baby, oh. I go love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'ma risk it. I'ma risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. Oh yeah, dark she jeje. No they do me, she get. You wanna come move fair. Now you I want to. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going.
So now that I'm done curling my hair, I am going to go in with some olive oil sheen spray, and I'm gonna put a lot of sheen spray in my hair because this is just gonna give it that shine that it needs, that sheen that it needs once I'm finally absolutely done. With a rake comb or a wide tooth comb, I am now just smoothing out my tight curls. Okay, so if you do not have one of these combs and you have a Pixie, I suggest you go to your hair store and get one. So this is just going to further define and style your hair, because you don't want to be walking around with tight curls. It looks a little bit old-fashioned unless they're like really nice pin curls. With some Cream of Nature Argan Oil Edge Control, I'm just gonna, just add a little bit of slickness to the sides, and with a brush I'm gonna smooth that out. So I'm gonna use the firm part of the brush and just brush the sides. Bless you. I'm gonna use the brush and brush the sides and the back as well. The back is really short, so there was nothing to curl back there, absolutely nothing. Okay, and of course with my fingers I'm just gonna just give it a little bit more styling until I reach my desired style. But I mean, this is a finished look. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. You can also leave me some questions. I'd love to answer your questions, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.